Okay, here we are again. It's meat day today. And look what we have for him. We have beef heart. We have some turkey gizzard. We have some beef liver. We have a mussel. We have some Cornish hen, which this is a leg, a wing, and a couple pieces of the back and breast. Chicken foot. We have some turkey neck ground up that I grind up for Howie. And we have some salmon skin and beef liver that have been dehydrated. These I use as treats, but I just want to show you a variety. And here, he cannot wait for this. It's obvious meat is his favorite day. So let's see if I can do this. This board is heavy, so let me see. You ready, Howie? Watch your feet. Normally he would not get this much today. I just kind of put it all on the tray so you guys could see everything that he gets in a meal. It's a little bit more, so we'll probably feed him a little bit less tonight. But just to show the variety that he gets, he absolutely loves everything. And you hear him chew, and it's gone in a heartbeat. He does well with everything. He chews and pulls up really well. If you have a gulper, you can just cut the pieces up smaller. You can hold the legs for them if you need to. But he gets a variety. No supplements, no oils, no dairy, no nothing extra I give him. He gets it all by getting a variety of these different foods. All the minerals, amino acids, vitamins, everything that he needs in there, and he absolutely loves it all. See that? A lot faster than he eats his plant, but still just as good for him. Getting that last piece of salmon skin in there. Now look at this. He'll lick the plate clean. Get every last bit.